This is dedicated to all the young moms out there who's got toddlers or babies. So let's get right to it. So these are just few ways to help your child's hair grow faster. In the market today, in the market of life, we have a lot of young moms who are hitting their heads right now and disturbing themselves, crying, why is my baby's hair not growing? So just give it time. Number one, do not wash your baby's hair too often. So once your baby is 1 year old, you can start doing these things, right? Use wash your baby's hair to only twice a week on days where you are not washing his or her hair, because you might want to keep your son's hair as well. All you need to do is to get 2 big aloe veras and blend just the gel, not the back of the aloe vera. Blend the gel and keep that in your fridge. Any morning you're not washing his or her hair, spray that to moisturize the baby's hair, and use castor oil mixed with olive oil. Now castor oil helps easy penetration, while the aloe vera, castor and olive oil, they help easy penetration, while the aloe vera helps to moisturize your baby's hair. Number 2, it is high time you started to indulge your baby's scalp. And what do I mean? Start making that hair, even if it's really small. You can start with cocoa. See, that's what they call it. Do cocoa on your baby's hair. Puff here and there. It's going to trigger growth. Remember, your scalp grows by blood flow. So when you pick, the hair that your baby has, it just triggers blood flow in your scalp, and then hair growth begins. Number 3, be patient. Your baby's hair is definitely going to grow. You do not need to now start getting like some really harsh ingredients. Run away from harsh ingredients. Number 4, introduce avocados, bananas, and eggs to your baby's meal. You can mash all together and give it to your baby. I mean boiled eggs. So you can mash the boiled eggs, mash banana, and mash avocado. This is also going to really help to boost your baby's hair growth. So these are just easy and healthy ways to ensure that your baby's hair grows very well. And even if you're an adult, you can also start doing this. For the washing part, that's where you're going to tweak it. For adults, wash your hair only once in 3 weeks, right? So that you do not strip your scalp of its natural oil. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it interesting, do well to like, comment, and follow my page. Recommend to someone. God bless you. Thank you.